Hey everybody, I'm Miaira Jennings and I'm going to show you how I turned this into this. Stay tuned.
Make it work, Miaira, make it work, Miaira. Make it work, Miaira, make it work, Miaira.
The shoes, the shirts, the skirts, the hats. You give her the work, she gon' send it right back. You know she do a thing with the DIY. And if you looking for the best, it's Miaira time.
Make it work, Miaira, make it work, Miaira. Make it work, Miaira, make it work, Miaira.
Alright y'all, we're going to get straight to it because I'm really excited about this project today. I saw this blazer coat thing at the Goodwill thrift store for just 10 bucks and I knew I wanted to flip this bad boy into something great. So that's what we're going to do. First things first, flipping it inside out and placing it on my dress form so I can add pins to the sides to make it more form-fitting. Gotta hug them curves. Now y'all know I love to show some legs, so I'm clipping the bottom hemline up a little bit or a lot of bit and using my fabric scissors to give it a nice little trim. I folded about an inch of that bottom edge toward the inside and then added sewing clips. Now I'm heading to the sewing machine to sew the sides and that bottom hemline. Before moving on, I just wanted to fix this loose button that was driving me crazy, so I removed it and then used a needle and thread to reattach it tightly to the dress. And now to spice things up, we're going to add the cutouts. Now I put the dress on and I added sewing pins to mark the spots where I wanted the cutouts to be. And then I took it off and I used a ruler and colored pencil to draw lines so I can make sure that the cutouts are symmetrical. Next, I used my fabric scissors to cut those sections out and then I folded the edges inward about a 1/4 inch or so and clipped them in place. I tried the dress on to make sure the cutouts were in the right spots and the right sizes and I loved how it was looking, but y'all, your girl almost dropped and broke her camera in the process, so note to self, please take your time and make sure the camera is sturdy. Okay, moving on. I headed back to the sewing machine one final time to sew along those cutout edges. Make sure everything was nice and crisp. And you guys, I'm so in love with how this dress came out. It's hands down one of my favorite upcycling projects so far. And I gotta go try this on. Let's go. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I just love how this dress turned out. Comment below, let me know what you think and let me know what you want to see next. Hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up and I will see you in the next video. Bye.